Today we are going to be working the verb أدمن, get addicted. Most of the time, the past tense verbs have suffixes attached at the last letter of the verb. In this video, I will highlight the suffix with blue color. Singular form. أدمن على الغيبة. He got addicted to backbiting. أدمنت على القهوة. I got addicted to coffee. أدمنت على القهوة. You got addicted to coffee. أدمنت على القهوة. You got addicted to coffee. Feminine form. أدمنت على القهوة. She got addicted to coffee. As you notice, the past tense in the singular form finishes 4 times with te, carrying different vowels. Tu for I, te for you, masculine, ti for you, feminine, and the te with sukun is for she. Only repetition can make you remember this meaning. Dual form. أدمن على الكسل. Masculine. أدمنتا على الكسل. Feminine. Both of these phrases mean they both got addicted to laziness. Plural form. أدمنتم على الأطعمة الدسمة. Masculine. أدمنتن على الأطعمة الدسمة. Feminine form. Both of these phrases mean you got addicted to fatty foods. أدمنوا على شرب الشاي. Masculine. أدمن على شرب الشاي. Feminine. Both of these phrases mean they got addicted to tea.